Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Omega Even here. I am here to tell you how to get free money. Well, in the form of gift cards for Microsoft, where I got this for free and I've gotten this for free. Pretty sweet things, you know. Getting an awesome gig where you get like two things that you really want. I'm a PC player and I wanted to play games with my wife, so I got this thing because it has the little cool dongle thing, and I got this thing because it's my color. Well, my main channel color. So hey, that's pretty awesome, right? This costs what? I think it was like 140-ish, 130-ish bucks together. But I was able to get it for free. How was I able to do that? By every single day doing worthless things. But doesn't everyone do worthless things every single day? Like watch this video and watch TikTok. I just burned myself there just saying. But okay, let's show you guys how you do this. Well, what you do is, for one, let's go on over to my special website browser, which is actually not special. It's just Bing. It's just Microsoft Edge Bing. That's it. You go here and you sign in and you use the Microsoft rewards. How many points do you get? You get roughly around 300 to 400 points a day. What does that mean? Well, that's about 30 to 40 cents a day. Do that every single day. Guess what you get? You get some money. 30, 40 cents a day. Just do something that you know, do on the toilet, do on like on your way to work or something like that. If you're on a public transportation, at least don't do it while you're driving. Please don't do it while you're driving. But you do it there and you get points. And I was able to get both of these products, 100 something worth of products in like no time at all. Well, also $15 of that was actually from doing this one, which is like cashback kind of stuff. So apparently you can scan receipts on the Microsoft deals on your phone, and it gives you like 1 penny every single time you do that. And sometimes they give you a couple other pennies, and sometimes they give you like 10, 20 cents, which that adds up over time, and eventually you can get free stuff, which is pretty sweet, right? Pretty dang sweet. So yeah, this is hopefully just a little informative video just for like all those people that do that kind of stuff. And yeah, so yeah, and you just get the Xbox app, you get more points that way. I got a whole bunch of points a day already. What is that? 35 plus like a bunch of little modifier stuff. So I got about 100 points there, and I still have 50 points to go with that play a PC game. So yeah, go do that, guys. Get free stuff. Like and subscribe. Bye bye. So get out of here. Stop wasting your time. Stop wasting your time.